Hello and welcome to today's video, which is rental property a good retirement investment? Now, that's a great question. We often get asked by clients that are nearing retirement age and maybe nearing the end of their working career, or even in retirement, that are considering property investment as an option and just want to understand maybe the specifics around what to consider, why maybe property might be a fit. And what to look for. So that's exactly what we'll kind of touch on in today's video. Now, for clarity, we're not IFAs, not mortgage brokers, not financial advisors. So if you do want introductions to those parties, let us know. We'd be happy to introduce you. And secondly, property, like any investment, like any asset, carries risks. It's not a perfect solution for every single scenario. So there are downsides that do need to be considered as well. Now, there's three particular reasons that we see people considering property and rental property and investment property as a retirement option. And the first is because it fits nicely maybe into their current pension plan. So if you already have a pension pot and you're maybe in discussion with your IFA or your accountant about ways to use that and different ways to kind of invest that, property can be an efficient way to maybe look at investing those funds. So it's well worth speaking to your accountant and your IFA around that if you've not done so already. If you need introductions to that, let us know, we can put you in touch. So often it can be a very efficient and very a good solid kind of tax efficient way to maybe consider your pension plan. The second route is looking at what property can kind of give you over a longer term plan. So if you are looking into retirement, it's unlikely to be a 6 or 1 year plan. 6 month or 1 year plan. It's typically going to be a 5 year, 10 year, 20 year time frame. And usually we see investors considering property because the potential for recurring income. So two ways that you can generate the money from the property over the longer term: recurring rental income. So if you buy in the right location, you have the right tenant and you have the right management company and everything kind of fits, then you should be getting consistent rental income on a monthly basis. And the second thing can be potential for capital growth. Now, there's certainly variables to that. It's not a guaranteed situation where you're always going to get yearly or monthly growth on that property, but over the longer term, especially if you're looking over a 20-year time horizon or 10-year or 5-year, you'll see variables in prices. And if you're buying in a solid location, hopefully the plan is that it maintains price and goes up in price over that length of time. And certainly when you compare it to other alternate strategies, other alternate investments, property typically performs quite well in like-for-like comparisons. So that's one of the reasons, well, the second reason why we see people considering property is because of this consistency for regular rental income and then also the potential for capital growth. And then the third is because it's a tangible asset. Most people understand property. Most people have either been a homeowner or maybe they've invested in property previously, or they certainly know people that have been in one of those two positions. So they understand it, they understand the need to provide housing, they understand the dynamics at play, and it's easier, it's more tangible to consider than maybe a stock that somebody else is maybe potentially looking at, or another alternate kind of investment strategy that kind of people are looking at that is a little bit harder to plan or predict, or a little bit less kind of certain. Whereas property, people typically understand the fundamentals kind of at play with it. So that's usually what we see investors kind of gravitating towards, and why they consider property as a potential retirement option is for one of those three reasons. One, it might be more efficient, as in it plays directly and nicely into your pension plan already at the moment, and it provides diversity. The second is that it can provide you a consistent income if you look at the right fundamentals within your rental. And then the third is the tangible element to it as well. Hope that helps. Hope that gives some things to consider for your retirement properties. All the best, and I look forward to catching up with you in the next video. Take care.